So let's talk about protein, and let's start with branched chain amino acid. These are three specific amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine, and they're known for their muscle growth properties because they stimulate muscle protein synthesis, specifically leucine. Next, we have whey protein. These are milk-based proteins, and they have the full range of amino acid, including branched chain amino acid. They get absorbed quickly and stimulate muscle protein synthesis really quickly. Next, we have casein. Like whey, it has a full range of amino acid, however it takes longer for it to get absorbed, gradually increases muscle protein synthesis over a longer period of time. Next, we have vegan proteins like brown rice isolate, pea protein, hemp protein, and soy isolate. These are plant-based proteins, and they could have full range of amino acid and act pretty much like whey protein. So out of all these, which one would be the best? They are all pretty good and have different purposes. For most of you, whey protein would be the best option. It gets absorbed quickly, it simulates muscle protein synthesis, and includes branched chain amino acids. So if you take your whey protein, you don't necessarily need the branched chain amino acid. Unless you're really serious about bodybuilding, then branched chain amino acid could help you in some other ways, improving your muscle protein synthesis. The casein would be a better option if you want to eat before bedtime because it gets absorbed slowly and it can sustain your protein level throughout the night and keep your protein synthesis going throughout the night. Now, plant-based protein are a better option if you're vegan or vegetarian. They're pretty much similar to whey protein. However, to get the best result out of them, you should eat a little bit more of them compared to whey or casein. Now, all this said, we have two types of whey protein: whey isolate and whey concentrate. Whey isolate is 90% protein per gram. Whey concentrate could be anywhere between 35 to 80% protein per gram. So if you want the biggest bang for your buck, whey isolate would be the better option. However, it's a little bit more expensive, and whey concentrate would do just fine.